In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live chat with Apple support if you're having trouble with your iPhone or iPad and want quick, reliable help straight from Apple. This walkthrough will show you exactly how to start a live chat in just a few taps. First, you'll need the official Apple Support app. On your device, open the App Store, search for Apple Support, and download the app that's published by Apple. This is the trusted first-party tool designed specifically to help you troubleshoot, manage your products, and connect with support. A stable internet connection will make the download and chat experience smoother. Once it finishes installing, tap Open. You'll land on a clean, helpful home screen. Here, the app highlights your Apple devices, your subscriptions, and your coverage details like warranty and Apple Care. You'll also see account options, including things like password reset tools. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Apple ID associated with your device so the app can tailor the help to your products. To start a chat request, tap the search bar at the top and type the word chat. From the results, choose Contact Apple Support, then tap Continue. This tells the app you want to reach a real person, not just browse articles. Next, pick the device you need help with. Select the exact product like your iPhone or iPad, then tap Continue. Choosing the correct device helps support understand your setup and pull the right troubleshooting paths. Now select the issue you're experiencing. You can choose a topic that closely matches your problem or tap more to reveal additional categories and find a better fit. Take a moment to read the options and select the one that best describes what's going on. This ensures your chat goes to the right specialist. If the suggested tips on screen don't resolve your issue, you'll see contact options. Choose chat, sometimes labeled message. This opens a live chat with an Apple support representative, and responses typically arrive within about a minute. Availability can vary by region and time of day, so if you don't see chat immediately, try again later. You're now connected with Apple support. Clearly explain the problem, mention any error messages you've seen, and describe what you've already tried. Keep the app open while you chat so you don't miss replies, and avoid sharing any sensitive information like passwords. The representative will guide you step by step until you're all set. And that's how to live chat with Apple support using your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and easy tech guides.